Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from HUAWEI MatePad 11 to HUAWEI device. Start by accessing App Gallery on both smartphones. Then click on the search bars and type Send anywhere. Following that, you need to download this free app from this developer and open it. Now choose I accept, confirm, continue and allow. Then we need to do exactly the same on this one. So I accept, confirm, continue and finally allow. Now you need to choose Send on this HUAWEI tablet and Receive on HUAWEI smartphone. Following that, click on all of those type of dots and choose Send. This way you will send all of those files. It will take a long time though, so I will go into Photos, select only one of them, click Send and tap on Got it. Over here we have two connection ways. We can input this key over here and choose Receive or Scan QR code. If you wish to scan it, click on this scanning icon on HUAWEI smartphone. Now just allow only while using the app and point your camera at the code. Then we need to wait. And as you can see, my photo was successfully transferred. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and definitely subscribe. Bye!